A rumor came to me from the Bedouins. They said that just an hour away from the skyscrapers, there sits a ghost, an Italian ghost. I had to see it for myself. The coordinates were vague. For a moment, I thought I was lost. It's just you, the sand, and this rumor. Do you see that? That's not a rock. That's metal. This is paint. Rosso red. Guys, this is a Maserati GranTurismo. Here, in the middle of nowhere. This is impossible. Last recorded mileage, 120,000 kilometers. It lived a life, and it died here. Look at this, sand everywhere. If it's hydrolocked with sand, the engine is a paperweight, a very expensive paperweight. So what's the move? Towing it out? $1,000? Parts, 20, 30,000 minimum. I could part it out, maybe break even. But look at it. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of art. I know it's a huge risk, but I have to try. I have to save it. Getting it out was a battle itself. The first tow strap snapped. It took hours. Every pull, we were afraid the chassis would snap. The good news? Look at these frame rails. Straight, no major crash damage. That's a miracle. Look at these hydraulic lifters, completely gummed up. The crankshaft, this is critical. If the journals are scored, it's over. She was born red, but she's being reborn. I chose Grigio Telesto, gray of the thunderstorm. In the sun, it will look like liquid metal. All right, this is it. Months of work. All comes down to this. It lives. It actually lives. Listen to that. That's the sound of victory. We gave it back its voice, its purpose, to move, to breathe, to feel the road. It cost nerves, money, sleepless nights, but it was worth it. This is about proving that nothing beautiful should be left to be forgotten. And this Maserati story is just beginning again.